This is the brand new HP Presence solution for Microsoft Teams rooms, which incorporates the latest and greatest technology in audio-visual to date. The Presence solution ships with sustainable packaging, as HP products are built with sustainability in mind. The HP Presence C4K AI camera with its 5x pan, tilt and zoom features a 120-degree wide-angle lens to ensure everyone in the meeting room, near and far, is captured effectively. The removable camera head allows for easy wall mounting, so it can adapt to your meeting room solution. The HP Presence C4K incorporates two dedicated digital microphones specifically used to locate and track the speaker. This has been designed with future-proofing in mind for use with upcoming features such as front row, meaning the active speaker will be in focus with pinpoint precision. Utilizing the auto privacy feature, the camera physically turns facing downwards when out of use and auto wakes when the device becomes active. The HP Collaboration PC device pre-configured for Microsoft Teams out of the box is based on HP's EliteDesk 800 series, which includes HP Wolf security for advanced protection. This comes with a mounting bracket for the compute and power supply, as you can see here. This can be used to mount the device behind a screen or under a table, allowing for a neat and tidy installation. The HP Presence control device is an on-the-desk touchscreen hub that interacts with the system. The Presence control includes an abundance of features to enhance the meeting room experience, such as the HP Room Assistant. This feature allows a user to report in-room issues directly to a set mailbox with just a few clicks. The HP Presence control includes 4 built-in beam-forming microphones that operate a 360-degree pickup at a range of 4 meters. Developed using HP's custom audio, these top-of-the-range mics include high-end audio technology such as voice leveling and doublespeak. Setup couldn't be easier. Many of the connections are color-coded to allow a swift and easy connection to the back of the compute unit. The orange connection on the Presence control feeds back to the HP compute. The purple is for dedicated power, and the white cable allows for a bring-your-own-device connection, allowing a user to connect their laptop and access guest mode. A power supply for the compute unit is also provided. The blue cable transmits power and data between the Presence C camera and the compute unit. Simply connect your compute unit to a display and Ethernet port and you're ready to go. Follow the short setup guide to ensure the device settings are optimized for your specific room. Once logged into a Teams room account, connecting to a call couldn't be easier. The user interface will reflect that of the Teams layout many are familiar with due to the certified software pre-installed on the HP compute. You're now officially up and running with your HP Presence solution, and Teams meetings couldn't be better or easier. Speak to your Ingram Micro representative to find out more about the latest and greatest Microsoft Teams products from HP today.